So we're starting week 4, and I wanted to just send a video for your lecture again, maybe 2, and talk about types of variables as well as validity and operationalization of your variables. And so I know that you're generating your ideas and starting to talk with your research groups, and I think that's all fantastic. I'm hoping that it's getting a little more exciting to you as you think about developing your own project. So we'll talk about validity, and there are various types of validity. Construct validity is the first one, and this is the extent to which the measurement or manipulation of a variable accurately represents the theoretical variable being studied. So that's construct validity. So think about the construct that you're studying. Then there's internal validity, and this refers to the accuracy of conclusions that are drawn pertaining to cause and effect. So did something happen? Did something cause the other thing? And this is related to internal validity. And then we have external validity. External validity refers to the accuracy of the conclusions being drawn, and those studies' findings actually, and if they can be generalized to other populations and settings. So the extent to which the findings that you have found in your study, is that generalizable to other populations and other settings. And so you want to have a representative sample in order to make it such that it can be generalizable, and that there's external validity. And then there's statistical validity. And statistical validity is the accuracy of the statistical conclusions drawn from the results or from the research investigation. And so those are some of the validities that you'll be studying this week. The variable, it's just simply the thing that changes. So a variable can be behavior, it can be thinking, thoughts, it could be feelings, the situation, it could be characteristics, or it could be an event. So anything that varies and can be measured is a variable. And of any variable must have 2 or more levels or values so that we can study those. So when you think about your design and your research, think about what kinds of things you want to study and what variables are you interested in, and then what levels you'll be using. 1, 2, or not 1, 2, 3. You know, how many levels will you have of that variable? Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I'll pause there and I'll start another video for some of the other content.